In this video I will discuss about star and delta connection. Friends, as you can see on the screen, we have a diagram of star and delta. Friends, in star and delta we have uh, 6 connections on the top of the motor, and if the motor capacity is too much high, then we have to run it in star and delta. As you can see on the screen, we have a motor having 6 terminals, is denoted by U1, V1 and W1, and the other side we have U2, V2 and W2. So it's a set of 3 coils, and each coil have 2 sides, and we have 3 contactors for star and delta configuration. So one side is connected to the main contactor. You can see on the screen, which is denoted by KM3, and the other side U2, V2 and W2 is connected to the KM2 magnetic contactor 2, and the other side, last one, we have star contactor, and the same connections of U2, V2 and W2 has been looped in this contactor as well, as you can see in the diagram. All the ends has been looped for the star connection. Now here is the main power supply, L1, L2 and L3. So same supply has been looped to the magnetic contactor 2 as well. As you can see on the first L1, second L2 and third is L1. Friends, you have to make sure that you have to do the wiring properly, as U1 will be connected to W2, so you have to make sure for the wiring. And V1 is connected to L2, and friends, you can see the F1 is an overload relay. It's very important to provide the overload protection for the motor. If there is any overcurrent if the motor is overloaded, it's going to trip the motor. So it's for the safety reason you have to add in the circuit. So friends, this is how you can do the star and delta connection. If you see the 6 points on the motor, you need to connect it in star and delta. It will be a 3-phase motor always. So friends, this is how you can connect according to the wiring. If there is anything in the if there is any doubt, you can mention in the comment, and I would like to reply to your comments. So you have to use 3 contactors. You can denote it by KM1, KM2, KM3, and you have to add overload relay and loop the input of contactor 1 and contactor 2, and you have to loop the input of contactor 1, contactor 3 and contactor 2, and loop the output of contactor 2 and 3, and short the input of contactor 1. So it will be easy for you to remember. Loop of contactor 3 and 2 input, loop the output of KM2, KM1, and short the terminal of KM1. So this is how you will form a star and delta winding connections. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If there is anything, please mention in the comments, and I will be able to reply to your comments. See you in the next video.